Hello everyone, I'm Cadet Taglin and together with Cadet Baisak and Cadet Nakara, we are going to discuss about the genetically modified organisms or GMO. So first, what is genetic engineering? So genetic engineering is a fascinating field. It is a set of technologies used to change the genetic makeup of cells, including the transfer of genes within and across species boundaries to produce, improve, or novel organisms. In simpler terms, it's like cutting and pasting specific genes from one organism into another. This can lead to some pretty amazing things, like crops that can withstand harsh weather conditions or even potentially curing genetic diseases.
Hello everyone, I am Tada Taisak and I'm going to report the genetically modified organism or the GMO. What is GMO? GMO is a living organism whose genetic materials has been modified through genetic engineering methods. It is the process in which genetic materials is transferred from one organism to another organism. Genetic engineering involves manipulating an organism's DNA to introduce specific traits or characteristics. Techniques used in genetic engineering. So we have here the gene slicing, gene editing, and transformation. So gene slicing is the genes from one organism are inserted into DNA of another organism. So ang gene slicing is itong na plant A, imong gi-insert dito sa plant B, iyang genes. Then, ang gene editing, specific genes within an organism's DNA are modified or removed. The plant B, imong ikuha ng genes, imong ikuha ng genes or imong siyang gibago ang genes ito. And transformation, foreign DNA is introduced into an organism, altering its genetic makeup. So, this is example, kaya siya plant niya siya, imong siya, isabulan siya foreign DNA, kung something, example, genes sa, or DNA sa animals, imong inject dito sa plant. So, muna siya ang tawag na foreign DNA. Then, anong mag-cause siya of something, it make it improve without like that. So, to make it simpler, gene slicing is imong insert, gene editing is imong remove, and transformation is foreign DNA na imong gi-insert sa ka-organism. So we have here an example. Let's say there's a plant that gets eaten a lot by insects. So scientists, you as a scientist, you will get a gene from a different plant that insect don't like. So katong ikaw scientist ka, you will get magkuha ka DNA sa plant na dili bitaw siya doon sa insect. So magkuha ka ma-extract ka dito or na-remove ka DNA dito or magkuha ka DNA dito. Then imo i-insert or isulod nimo siya sa ato plant plant A nga para dili siya i-kanon sa mga insect bitaw. So this can make them go bigger or faster or even give them resistant to upset. Thing is so dili lang siya kanang makuha ng tawag na unang malayo sa ita sa best or insects. Pwede po siya makatabang sa yung pag-grow bitaw. So, muna siya ang sample. So, let's move on to the benefits sa GMO. Number one sa benefit sa GMO is increase sa crops yield. So, GMO can enhance crop productivity by using traits such as resistant to pest, disease, or herbicide. This can lead to higher yields, ensuring food security and reducing pressure on agricultural land. So, matabang yapon din sa ito ang mga agricultural mga products. Reduce environment impact. Reducing the need for chemical pesticide or fungicide. So, na-reduce yapon din siya mga chemical like mga sprays bitaw. Yeah. Then, enhance nutritional content. Genetic Engineering can be employed to enhance the nutritional quality of crops. For example, by fortification of staple crops with essential vitamins and minerals and help address nutritional deficiencies in vulnerable populations. Improve self lives and food quality. Di ba makatapang pagkatuwang no? Healthy at ang nakaon na walay chemicals na kasagaw sa ila. Iwas sa mga plants nga kay fertilizer ng gamay bitaw na mga chemicals sa katong huban is all allow organic. Pearls na lang organic for a simple or I'm a safer ato ang way of living. And medical application, pwede yapang siya magdanga sa medical application ng medicines, diba? Potential in the field of medicine, they can be used to produce pharmaceuticals, vaccines, and therapeutic proteins, offering new facility for disease prevention. Yung mga tabang yan, sa ato ang medicine, ang GMO, di ba tabang, yung siya advantage, benefits ato as um, an, tao, sa person, sa human, diba, you can siya benefit. Dili lang yes, maka-benefit sa plants o sa animals, but that's animals, organism, pati po sa ato humans, kay kina-intake mga ito na, kana nga mga organisms. Diba, itong organism kay mga living cells man, so, yeah. Mga, dako, kay impact or tabang ang GMO sa ato. So that's all of my report. I hope you understand or naman may nasabtas on report. Please, or wala man nasabtas sa report, please do tell me kay I will make further research for my topic and that's all. I hope you guys listen to it and yeah, understand my topic well. I hope I can deliver it well to you guys. Thank you and have a great day.
I'm going to report about the potential risk of genetically modified organisms. First is allergic reactions. Allergic reactions, genetically modified crops may introduce new allergens to the environment, potentially leading to allergic reactions in some individuals. Number 2, unintended health effects. Genetic modification can introduce new proteins or alter existing ones, potentially leading to unintended health effects like increased cancer risk, although evidence is not conclusive. Number 3, environmental risk. Genetically modified crops can potentially harm the environment by increasing the pesticide use, reducing crop yields, or spreading genetically modified organisms to wild plants and animals. Number 4, antibiotic resistance. Some genetically modified crops are engineered to produce antibiotics as a way to combat diseases. However, this could lead to the development of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, which could pose a significant public health risk. Number 5, intellectual property issues. The patenting of genetically modified organisms has raised concerns about intellectual property rights and technology access, particularly in developing countries where traditional seed varieties are widely used. Number 6, regulatory issues. The regulation of genetically modified organisms is complex and often contentious. And for the last, social, economic, and social and economic impacts. Genetically modified crops can significantly impact small-scale farmers in developing countries who may lack resources to adopt new technologies or compete with larger agribusinesses. Hi mates, I'm going to report about what are the genetic engineering institution in the Philippines. There are 9 genetic institutions in the Philippines. First is Philippine Council for Health Research and Development. The PCHRD is a government agency under the Department of Science and Technology, or DOST, that promotes and supports biotechnology research and development, including genetic engineering. Number two, Philippine Genome Center, or PGC. The PGC is a research institution under the University of Philippines, Diliman, that focuses on or that focuses on genomics research, including genetic engineering, to address health and agricultural issues in the Philippines. Number three, Institute of Molecular Biology and Biotechnology, or IMBB. The IMBB is a research institution under the University of the Philippines, Diliman, that conducts research in various fields of molecular biology and biotechnology, including genetic engineering. Number 4, Philippine Rice Research Institute. The PhilRice is a government agency under the Department of Agriculture, or DA, that conducts research on rice genetics and breeding, including genetic engineering to improve rice productivity and quality. Number 5, Philippine Carabao Center, or PCC. The PCC is a government agency under the DA, or the Department of Agriculture, that conducts research on buffalo genetics and breeding, including genetic engineering to improve buffalo productivity and quality. Number 6, Institute of Plant Breeding, or IPB. IPB is a research institution under the University of the Philippines, Los Baños, that conducts research on the plant genetics and breeding, including genetic engineering to improve crop productivity and quality. Number 7, National Institute of Health, or NIH, is a government agency under the DOST that conducts research on various fields of health sciences, including genetic engineering to address health issues in the Philippines. Number 8, National Academy of Science and Technology, or NAST. The NAST is a government agency under the DOST that promotes scientific and technological development in various fields, including genetic engineering through its academicians and fellows. Number 9, the Philippine Genome Center Cebu Annex, or the PGCCA. The PGCCA is a research institution under the University of Cebu that focuses on genomics research, including genetic engineering to address health and agricultural issues in Central Visayas. So that's all of the genetic engineering institution in the Philippines. There are 9. Let me sum up to you. First is the Philippine Council for Health, Research and Development. Number 2, Philippine Genome Center. Number 3, Institute of Molecular Biology and Biotechnology. Number 4, Philippine Rice Research Institute. Number 5, Philippine Carabao Center. Number 6, Institute of Plant Breeding. Number 7, National Institute of Health. Number 8, National Academy of Science and Technology. And for the last, number 9, Philippine Genome Center of Cebu Annex. That's all of my report about the what are the engineering institution in the Philippines.